Hello, I'm Jane from Razzle Dazzle Pots, which is in Mapley in Nottingham. I'm going to do another little video with you today, really short. So earlier we traced some pictures onto a piece of pottery using special carbon paper. We had a picture that we'd printed off the internet and we're just going to trace it on. So the next thing to do is to put the outlines on. Here's one I did earlier. So this is what we're going to achieve. We're going to just go over with the outlines. So in the studio we have the writer pens. There's lots of them, all different colours, but we're going to use the black to do the outlines. So give it a little shake, just give it a little squeeze just to get it going. And you just very gently go over your lines. Now, like I said earlier, oh gosh, this is really runny. You don't necessarily need to do all of the lines. You can just do the ones that you think you'll be able to paint in. This writer is particularly runny. I'm not doing any squeezing at all and it's coming out pretty fast. Sometimes you have to squeeze quite hard on them. There we go. When this is all dry, we will colour it in.